Hi there, students. Rack. A rack. This is a word with quite a few meanings. To rack as well. Okay, let's see. A rack. A frame, a shelf. Very often made with bars, and it's used to hold things. So the luggage rack in a train. My suitcase wouldn't fit on the luggage rack. A vegetable rack where you keep your vegetables. A plate rack where you keep the plates. A shoe rack where you keep your shoes. So it's something, it's a holder, a thing to hold other things. A rack, or to rack the balls. If you've ever played pool, you'll know that you have this triangle, and you put all the balls in the triangle, and then you put it in the correct position. That's to rack the balls at the start of a game for billiards or pool or snooker. The rack is the triangle. I think in British English I would use the word the frame. Then we have the rack. The rack was a device of torture in which people were stretched. Their arms were pulled in one direction and their legs were pulled in the other. And it was normally used as a way to get people to give information. A rack of lamb or a rack of pork. It's a long cut of meat, normally from the upper body of a pig or a sheep, I think, or a lamb, most commonly I think a lamb, rack of lamb. But the butcher prepared a rack of pork. We're having a rack of lamb for dinner. Okay, so a rack. Okay, so to go to rack and ruin, to become decayed, the whole farm was going to rack and ruin. To rack, to cause somebody physical or mental pain. His body was racked with pain near the end. The dog was already racked with the pains of old age. I was racked with guilt for not doing something earlier. The country is still racked by violence. He was racked by doubt. So to trouble, to cause mental or physical pain. So a rack, a frame with bars to hold things. A bike rack, a towel rack. To rack, to cause somebody physical or mental pain. To rack your brains. I was racking my brains trying to think of the answer to this. Think hard about something. Okay, so a rack, a framework to hang or display various things. The triangle for billiards or pool, the rack. A frame for holding bombs in an aircraft, a rack. Okay, so yes, he tried to get some rack time. That's an informal word for sleep, maybe rack time, 3.5 informality. Okay, to rack, to cause severe pain. Pain racked his body. Okay, so a rack, shelves stacked one above another, or a frame for holding luggage or objects or different things. The luggage rack on a train or in a bus. A device of torture to stretch people beyond their natural limits. A rack. A set of antlers on a deer, the rack of antlers. A cut of meat with several ribs but adjacent and all together. So a rack of lamb from the butcher. Rack. Also, yes, informally, a woman's breasts but that's pretty sexist. Look at she's got a wonderful rack on her. This is very sexist, very, very informal. Okay, rack. It's a word with lots of meanings. So to rack, to place or to hang on a rack, to torture, to suffer pain. Okay, so yeah, a rack, the piece of equipment, a vegetable rack, a wine rack, a clothes rack in a shop where the clothes are hung. Yes, you take the cake out of the oven and cool it on a wire rack. A rack, an instrument of torture. A piece of meat that includes the front ribs and is cooked in the oven. A rack, a part of a machine that consists of a bar with parts that a wheel or a gear can fit into. To go to rack and ruin, to become destroyed, to get into a bad condition. They let the house go to rack and ruin. Off the rack, off the peg, clothes which are standard. They're not made by a tailor. It's not tailor made. They are off the rack fashions. Okay, if you're on the rack, you're receiving a lot of pressure. So rack, a framework or a stand for items, or something to stretch people, or a cut of meat, or a mechanical component. To rack up, to accumulate. He's racked up a debt of £500,000. He racked his brain trying to remember the answer. The country was racked by years of conflict. So rack, this comes from Middle Dutch, rack or rek, reckon. So rack, 5 informality, use anywhere generally, and this is a high frequency word. Rack. Bye for now.